Abdullah, thank you so much for coming again, once again. And I
Thank you.
just wanted to come on the record and say thank you to you. Just one question. Obviously, I know you play for US team, and we are proud and honored to have you here on the record. What is your thought in regards to US team going forward as far as cricket concerned? What is the future you see?
Oh, there's a lot of future in U.S. cricket now. It's just a lot of people getting involved in this, and we want this sport to go more better. And the USA is going on the right track so far, and then wishing them all the best. And
And how proud do you feel playing for United States of America, living here and having an honor and for a brand new team and shining a star player for US? How do you feel?
it's the best feeling because you work hard for a long time, and then once the hard work pays off, you always get the best feeling. So I tell all the youngsters, never give up, keep working hard, and one day you guys, there's a future for you. And then
And just last question, your strength on the shots when you're hitting your fours and sixes and all these home runs, sixes you're hitting, is that a natural power or you work on this power?
yeah, it's definitely a natural power.
So can we say you're God gifted?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
All the
you.
best to you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Jen.
Don't
Thank you.
forget to like, comment, and subscribe.